Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. Oh no. Let me start again because I'm no longer gonna refer to you as viewers and subscribers. Okay, so let me start again. Blessed love to the family. And the inspiration behind this video is a comment that was left on one of my videos by one of our family members. Let's move right into it. So this subscriber and I have been vibrating on the same frequency, and we both know that because we are like-minded. We make connections on more or less the same levels, and we resonate with the same kind of topics, and we share similar perspectives. So recently, in the comment section of one of my latest videos, I was taken on a learning curve. And let me tell you something, people. We learn something new every day, and we ought to embrace new knowledge. We ought to embrace those who come into our lives and come to impart that knowledge that we need to grow. So my comment read, and you may follow on your screens, only the best people. That one came from you and your queen. We're family now. Nothing but love. Do all you wish, it's all yours. Teamwork, make the dream work. Can't thank you enough. Sky levels. And that I'll explain to you in a minute. So this is where I took on a different perspective. Now is a word which denotes time. So making reference that we are family now, I was actually saying that as of this moment, we are family. However, we did not agree. Listen up. He said, real Empress Yudah, and you can read from your screen. He said, not true. We've always been family. Family are people who are on your vibrational level. That's it. It's rare that your true family are the people that you grew up with. In this life, one must seek one's true family. Remember, whatever you are seeking is also seeking you. Love is the answer to every question. Only the best people. With that being said, I would like to thank Brim Kingston Star. And for those of you who have been following the channel, you should know that Brim Kingston Star's music, Black, Gold, Green, instrumental and song was used in my last video, in our last vlog as we left Jamaica. I would also like to thank his beautiful wife, Cordelia Starr, who has actually shone light on Brim's work. I thank her for coming to my channel, and I thank her for bringing nothing but love, light, and upful energies to my channel. With that being said, I would like to thank the family. Thank you all, every single one of you who have subscribed to Real Empress Yudah channel. To all of you who have been commenting in the comment section. And I must say, there are some people with whom I know that we are vibrating on the same frequency. I now ask that you carry on with this discussion in the comment section. Let me know if you agree that your family members have always been your family, and it is those people with whom you are on the same vibrational level. Let me also know if you have felt the stung of people with whom you are related to by blood. Let me know if you've been treated in a better way by people with whom you are not related. Hence, you look at those people as your family. With that being said, I leave you now with love, light, and upful energies. That's all for now. I'm out now. Real Empress Yudah.